Vel'Koz with heal. Okay, they have 2 TPs we haven't done. Makes this game interesting.
I think Ignite. If it was Ignite on Vel'Koz, it'd make no sense.
It'd make more sense or no sense.
No sense.
Yeah, no, you can't get in range. I guess, yeah, heal is probably... I mean, heal's basically equivalent to exhaust. It's panic button if someone jumps on you.
Welcome to Summoner's Rift.
Okay, I'm down for this. We have an Annie.
30 seconds until minions spawn.
Oh, hello. Got him.
Free boots.
Hey. I got 18 gold.
Not quite boots.
Yeah. Close, but not quite. Will they Trist Vel'Koz? They could try and cheese. Hey, look at that geometry. He knows his angles. They're going to be pushed off this. Oh shit, I missed. Oh!
Instead of a barrier.
Oh, and I get the wrong target again. Okay, this is bad. You don't have flash, neither do I. It's tragic.
An enemy has been slain.
Boots diff.
Close. Don't get hit by this explosion. Yeah. No! Okay. Oh,
Oh my god, I hate this.
it was close.
An ally has
Oh,
been
okay.
slain.
I didn't think that was in range!
I didn't think so either. I would have shielded you if I
God.
knew. Oh well, rough start. Oh, guys.
An ally has been slain.
Oh, there's a Vel'Koz. Vel'Koz surely is dead. Oh, apparently not. Apparently our Vi doesn't know what she's doing.
You'll see more with your eyes closed.
And here Vel'Koz is not. Nice. Well played.
With a lot of minions.
Yep. A huge amount that he's missing.
Whoa. Just a pinch.
Gonna stick a ward over the dragon wall just in case. Okay.
Up to the middle bush, I think.
Okay. Oh, he is now.
She's dead now.
Squirrel.
Thought that was hitting me. Fuck.
Nosy.
Man got zapped twice.
I
I've
recommend
dodged every Vel'Koz skill shot.
Nice. What?
Oh, Galio's ready to ult, I think.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Could be on Drake.
Yeah, I think they're doing it. And they were. Fuck. Quinn wants to do something. Don't know what.
An ally has been slain.
Oh. Oh, Galio?
Trista's on.
Has been slain. Kill.
Nice. Oh. Let's try.
that squirrel.
An enemy has been slain.
Just a pinch. Dust 'em, picks. Let all the colors.
Careful. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
I recommend skipping.
Galio.
Oh, she missed cannon.
A. Vel'Koz has Dark Seal.
He has ult again.
Okay.
I did not think she'd have ult again. I guess I have my ult again. Makes sense.
There it is.
You'll see
Okay.
more with your eyes closed.
Ooh, okay.
Never look a truth in the eye.
Okay, there's a ward in the dragon pit.
Oh,
Nice. You're good? Okay, I wasn't completely sure. Oh, he wants to go?
Galio ult.
Yeah.
Has been slain.
You dodge 3 Vel'Koz spells and then she brings out more.
Oh shit. I'm dead, I think. Ah, that's bad.
She crushed me. Oh.
yep. That tasted purple.
Oh no. Okay, well she healed at least.
That squirrel looks familiar. Too tall. Much too tall. A solid giggle should do the trick.
Oh, he wants to go. Oh, hello.
How does that hit me?
Oh, I missed! Oh no.
Shut down.
You'll see more with your eyes.
I definitely went for the wrong target, man. I also missed the wrong target.
Huh?
Okay, well fair enough. I'm here. Nice. Should make your mind. Oh, the Galio's on the way. Galio's on the way. Under turret.
I
Just
don't
recall
think
under
he
turret.
kills.
I don't think he does, but love that you went on me straight away, and then for some reason gave up.
They
I think he
missed
could
his-
have killed me.
Has been slain.
He missed his W on me because I got excited, so I just ran straight through him.
Oh,
Whoa. Dizzy.
oh shit.
Yep. That basic purple.
Never worried. I'm out of the fight completely.
Nosy dewdrop.
Getting there as fast as I can. No Vel'Koz ult. There's a Galio. Quinn is on the way as well. Nice. Oh.
I recommend skipping. Vroom.
Oh, I'm gonna go up to Grubs. There's a red buff for you
An ally
on
has
your way
been
back to
slain.
lane.
You'll see more with your eyes closed.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Never too alive.
Oh, did you get the turret? That is-
No, our minions did.
Oh, minions did. That's a shame. Oh. Alright, Vi going bot.
Whoa. Dizzy.
Galio's hovering too.
Killing spree.
Nice.
Nosy dewdrop.
Thank you. Lies behind the
that's
Galio.
Rampage.
Oh, red buff.
Has destroyed a turret.
Oh, okay. Can't really. Hmm.
That squirrel looks familiar.
Actually, I'll hold mid. Just to stop Triss taking it.
They aren't gonna like this.
Need 200.
What should I be buying? Just magic resist, I think.
You'll see more with your eyes closed.
What's the next fight? Atakan's 45, Dragon is a minute and a half.
I
An enemy has been slain.
Oh, I killed the nun. Oh, there's fun and games in our jungle.
Unstoppable.
Oh, shit.
Oh, what a good support.
An enemy has been slain.
Getting the wards here.
I missed the punch.
That tasted
Okay.
purple.
Fuck. Okay. Shit.
I was baiting. Oh.
Hmm.
I'm not a big fan, but
No, we are doing it. We are 5.
I guess your tip is as well.
Yeah. Okay, good stuff. Trist will get this, I think.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Never truly lie.
Oh, was he not paying attention? I think he was not paying attention.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Whoa. Seems he
Okay, there was a ward there, then I was not.
Yep. That tasted purple. Nosy dewdrop.
Oh shit.
I'm on my way to you.
Okay. I had to run. Ah man.
Dominating.
I die to anything from Bel'Koz. Oh, nice try. Oh, the heal I think saved him.
Yeah.
What is happening mid? Why is there nobody there?
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Oh.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Looks familiar.
I'm making this game harder than it needs to be.
Yeah, it's just like Trista's getting strong because she's getting the towers.
Too tall. Much too tall.
I might have IE on base. She's not basing now.
There's Belbeth. Nice.
Me Baron?
Yeah, I think so. Just hit Baron. Just hit Baron. Nice.
You 100 gold to my item, I don't want a base.
Magi's time. Let's go.
Whoa. Susie.
I'm
Why
item
is
now, I'm
Quinn
basing.
there? Oh my lord. Oh, she's out though. Okay.
No Mega!
Yep. That tasted purple.
Galio was gonna come from below. Unless he moves. I'm just gonna start it.
I recommend skipping.
Yeah, I'm gonna be with this Quinn. Nice.
Was a flash necessary?
Has destroyed a turret. Your team has destroyed a turret.
You'll see more with your eyes closed.
Has destroyed a turret.
Ow.
Nice. Oh, double kill. Beautiful. Hey. The big guns.
Nice.